Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have an Edifier S760D sound system and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this device not connecting to something or not pairing with something, or if it's not syncing or not responding, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to get this unit set up like it's brand new coming out of the box with all the settings and everything erased off of it, we can go ahead and do that really easily. All we need to do this reset is press and hold the function dial and the power button on the wired controller at the same time for approximately 2 seconds. And then when we do that, the wired controller will actually display the software version, indicating that will also tell you that the reset has begun. All the settings will be erased and it will set the system back to its original factory default settings. And then you can go ahead and set it up like a new system.